This cheap buck converter can be used to power a fan, even with a large transformer like in an amplifier. But it only runs at a fixed speed. So I made a simple add-on circuit using an NTC temperature sensor to control the fan speed based on temperature. This is 100% practical, and you can build it easily. This is a constant voltage buck converter. It tries to keep the output voltage constant even if the load changes. This module is based on the LM2596 IC, and like most buck converter ICs, it has an important pin, the feedback pin. On this IC, it is pin 4. Here's the feedback pin. This pin is connected to the output through a potentiometer. The job of this pin is to monitor the output voltage. If the voltage drops, the module increases it, and if it rises, it reduces it. So this pin is constantly adjusting the output to keep it stable. And this potentiometer is used to set the output voltage. Now here is the interesting part. If we can control this FB pin using temperature sensor, we can control the output voltage. For that, we can use an NTC thermistor. NTC means its resistance decreases when temperature increases. But the NTC alone is not enough, so I designed a simple test circuit. This is the buck converter output. The fan is connected directly here, so whatever voltage comes out controls the fan speed. This part creates a stable reference voltage. The 1K resistor provides current, and the 5.1-volt Zener diode keeps this point fixed. So now we have a stable voltage, independent of temperature. The thermistor and resistor form a voltage divider. The voltage at their junction is sent to the base of the transistor through a 1K resistor. The transistor's collector is connected to the feedback pin of the IC through a 1K resistor. When it turns on, it changes the feedback signal. That forces the buck converter to increase its output voltage. Our test circuit result is good, but I want the fan to run more slowly at low temperature. So let's look at the circuit diagram again. If we want a lower output voltage, we need to increase the voltage at the feedback pin, so the IC thinks the output is already high. Then the IC will reduce the output voltage. So for that, I replaced this 1K resistor with a 470 ohm resistor. I also added a small capacitor to make the signal more stable and avoid unwanted switching. Now we have a better voltage range and a more stable circuit. This is enough. Now I'm soldering the circuit on a Vero board. While I'm doing this, consider subscribing and liking the video. Okay, I finished soldering. So before connecting the add-on, set the buck converter output to a low voltage, around 8 volts. This protects the Zener diode and its series resistor. First, we need to tune it before connecting the fan. This is very important. Don't skip this step. Short the 2 pins of the NTC, then adjust the potentiometer and set the output to about 12.3 volts. Now you can connect the fan. Our circuit seems to be working fine. So this is the final fine-tuned circuit. You can build this easily and use it in real applications. If you face any problems, leave a comment below. I will reply. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it. See you next time.